of the Welcome to Nevada sign, but I thought maybe that casino over on the right would serve just as well. I finally made it to Nevada. Yay! I stopped at this little station to take a break and wash out my cup and get some fresh water out of the fridge, and also to get out of my sweats and into some regular jeans and shorts, because our jeans later I'll probably have to change to shorts because I'm finally getting to warmer weather. Yay! as I said, that was fun. I look over and there was a ranger like parked in front of me, kind of angle parked, blocking me. And I've learned from Robert's daughter, they don't like to be photographed. So I put my camera up and I walked up and he's like, "Ma'am, are you okay?" And I'm like, "Yes, sir, I am." And he goes, "What you doing?" And I said, "I'm just stopped for a pit stop and saw this trail and thought I would check it out. Is anything wrong?" And he goes, "Nope, nope, nope, where you been?" And so I told him I had been outside Kanab and had visited, I'm all rattled, and had visited Best Friend's Animal Sanctuary and was headed to Pahrump. And he's like, "And you're okay?" And I'm like, "Oh, yes, sir, absolutely." And he goes, "Okay, just doing a check, making sure you're good." And I'm like, "Yes, sir, absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate that." And he kind of waved and walked off. I don't know why it rattled me. I mean, nothing's wrong, or, you know, and I hadn't done anything wrong. But it's just, you don't expect that. So I don't know if they're looking for somebody, or I don't know. It just could be because I have a white van and I'm out in the Netherlands, and and he saw me walking out there by myself. I don't know, but I'm gonna move on down the road now.
So I am here down in town, and I came down here for a very special reason today. It's Thursday, and I was not supposed to be doing this until like Saturday, but well, here you go. You can see. Hopefully you can see with the sun. But Debra's down here. She just arrived today. She came along early.
Well, hello, handsome.
Here she is. I already told everybody on Patreon with your text message earlier.
Oh,
It's
good.
already been shared.
Well, good. Sorry about the engine noise. Here, let me turn it off. There, that's probably better for everybody.
At least one of our patrons said, "You're right, I am handsome."
Oh, well, that's
I'll
good.
look and see who it was.
That's awesome, and you are.